what do you know about the library classes? Aditya,
What? Library classes?
what is library class?
No idea.
Ma'am, maybe like we
Oh, the imports.
import
IO,
scanner and
Mutant,
IO like that.
Maths.
Acha, what do you mean by the term library? Means in English, what is a library?
Place where there's a lot
Place
of
where you
books
have
stored.
A place where you keep all kind of books, right, for your reference. So here also the library is the place where we have kept all kind of files that will be used in our program, right? There are different library classes which are used for different purpose. Generally, these are the library class that are used in our programs for different purpose. Java.language, it includes the classes related to string manipulation. This
Ma'am,
is
but isn't java.lang already imported?
Can I complete, Dhruv? Wait for a while.
Yes, ma'am.
Java.language is the file, the library class that is used for manipulation of string functions. This file does not need to be imported in the class. That is the default class that is already included in our programs when we create a program. I was supposed to say that only, Dhruv.
Okay.
So that is what I am saying. Wait for a while. The next file is java.io. This file contains the input-output operations. Right? If you all have any question, please raise up your hand. Otherwise, I am assuming you are understanding. Amadullah?
Yes.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, Narayan.
so what can't we do in java.io? If we import java.io, what can we not put in the program?
The input-output operations are required. System.out
But like,
is
if we were to use java.io, when would we use it? Like, when is it limited?
Buffered reader.
Narayan, I don't understand your question. What you want to ask?
Ma'am, certain classes are made for certain things, no?
So that is what
Okay,
I'm
fine.
saying. IO is made for input and output operations.
So maximum, what can you do with it? Can you put
Maximum
like,
you can scan and print the statements.
that's
That is
it, you
only
can't
input and output.
multiply, divide, no nothing, just
Narayan.
go ahead.
Input output functions are stored here. What are the input functions?
So I'm asking, it can't happen.
Multiply, divides are the operations that you do in your program.
तो नहीं होगा ना.
That doesn't have to use by any class.
No, no.
I have a
Oh,
doubt.
so that's
I
why
have
I'm
a legit doubt.
asking. I don't know.
Achha. If I have a program where I have to just add two values, not to print them also, I just want to add or multiply them. So I don't need any kind of input or output statement, right? Narayan?
I said no, yes.
Yes. So if I don't need to use these input and output statements, I will not use this java.io. That program I can make without importing any file. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, do we have to? We don't have to import java.mat to use the math classes, right?
So we
Math
can't use the math wala thing in IO, no?
Yes. Math wala
We
things
can.
provided by the math library class.
Can I just always use math? Sorry, import java.start, that wala thing, and IO only with buffer.
Always.
Okay, I was just asking for like the sake of it.
But the question comes in the exam for these things. If I want to use the utility, I want to import the utility class.
So it's just theory. We won't use any of
So
this.
what file need I to import? That is why
So
you need to know all these things.
So it's just theory. We won't actually use it
No, we use actually it. It is not feasible to use all the time star dot star. It is not feasible. You are unnecessarily troubling the processor to import all the files that are not required for your program also.
Ma'am, so is it like it wastes memory so that
Yes, it
so
wastes
then
the memory. And we are not supposed to do that.
Okay, so we'll see later on, I guess.
Yes, Aditya.
And why do like mat.pow or mat.cube root, square root? Why do all of them work even if we don't import java.math?
No.
What? I didn't understand.
So like in a normal program, we use mat.pow or mat.cube root, square
Yes.
root, and
Hmm.
all that works even though we don't import java.math.
So why the math is required before that then?
Oh, we don't have to import the class. We can
If
just write.
you are using sqrt function, why are you typing math.sqrt over there?
Yeah.
Because that
We don't have to
sqrt
import.
function is stored in the math file. So when you write math dot, that time that file already get imported in your program. Understood?
We have
You
to
write
external
system dot out dot println. Println only is the function to print. So system file you are using. So system dot out means it's the output statement. And then you are printing something. Right? So that is
Very
how
well.
we use. Some files are necessary to import. Without importing, they cannot work. But some files, with the help of this dot operator, we can import in our programs.
So we don't have to write it on the top like system.io. So like
We
that
have
we
to
don't have,
write down. We
no,
have
like
to.
that do we have to use math operator like where we write sorry, that import java.util dot star asterisk
Yes,
sorry dot
yes,
star semicolon.
yes.
So likewise we have to do import java.math dot or
Yes,
whatever.
yes, you can import it. That particular function only will get imported in there in your file then. And we need to have the list of those classes also that are in that file. And generally we don't have. That is why we include all the files like that. Right? I will be including import java.math.star. Then star will be entering the star is the asterisk is the wildcard. Generally, we call that strict as a wildcard that will be used for the multiple characters. If I have written Java import java.io.star means whatever files are available in the java.io file class, that all functions will be imported in your program. If I want to use a particular class like java.io.scanner, so only the scanner class will be imported in my file. Okay. If I want to import a particular specific file, I need to name that file. If I want to import that whole file in my program, then I will be using a star. Okay.
Okay.
Amatullah, you can have the screenshots of these slides what I am showing, because this is the content of your book, that is the explanation given. After this,
Yes.
only these tabular formats are not there. After that, explanations are also given, but you can understand with the help of these slides.
Yes. Ma'am, I also wanted to ask that do you know any app that allows you to download Java on tablet or something like that? Because I have downloaded this app, but it is having some weird problem that you enter any one digit and it by self converts it into double digit.
So it
So I can't
converts
use
it into
anything.
0102, or it converts it like that only? Any
No,
digit?
if you write 6 and then you just click enter, it changes into 66. The
66
number gets down.
doubled.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll
So
check
now I
out
don't.
with any app with if it is available. Give me some time. I can't tell you like use this or use that.
Yes.
It will take some time, right? I'll need to check it.
Okay.
So this is the list of the files, Java files, classes which you can include in your program, depending upon your depending upon your
The question.
requirements, right? So JDK is generally used for Java development kit, and JCL is the Java class library. Okay, so full forms generally are not being asked, but you should know what are these terminologies. Okay, how do we include a Java package in our programs? We need to use the import keyword. This question is generally being asked in the exam, that how can you import a file in your program? So how will I import? By using a keyword, by using the keyword import.
Import.
And this is the syntax of importing a file, import, and then package name, and then dot star. Examples also I have given. Import java.io.star, import java.star. And if I want to import a particular file, I will be writing the particular name over, sorry, here after the star. Okay. Okay. The next thing. This is the most important question. What are the primitive and composite data types? What are the differences between them? And the example. Atharva, can you please tell me what are the primitive and composite data types?
It's written here. It is a fundamental data type.
It's a fundamental data type.
And composite is a primitive data type.
That is written on the screen. I'm not asking you to read it out. What do you mean by fundamental data type?
Functioning.
Fundamentals are the basic data types, right? Means which are required for the basic work, like integer, double, character. These are the basic data types, primitive data types. I have explained this in the first class also. I have shown you a chart of the data types. In that I have explained what are the primitive, what are the composite, how they are used. These all I have already explained. But I felt you all were sleeping that day. The primitive data types are the basic or the fundamental data types that are defined when the computer or the system was in the process of designing. By the developers only these have been defined. These are the basic data types like integer, double, float, and character. Composite data types are the set of primitive data types. Group of characters. What do we call it? A group of character?
String.
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 And the next is arrays. Array is a data type where you can keep store multiple data, like we use in the sets. Set A is equal to, in the curly brackets you write the values. Yes, maths, stats, set, right or not? Nobody knows about the sets over here.
Ma'am, we like,
I
yeah, we do.
Huh?
No.
I'm like set A is equals to in bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, just
Set
maths.
A is equal to, in the curly brackets you write A, E, I, O, U, vowels, set of the vowels. Right? That is set. So here in the sets kind of thing we can do with the arrays also, where we can keep multiple similar data types. Suppose I want to keep this record of the 20 children of my class. So I can use array. Next chapter we are going to study is arrays only. How are they defined and how we can use them. So that is also a composite data type, and these composite data types are the user defined, means the person who is working on the computer will define them based on their own requirements.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what's a wrapper class? Anybody without reading the screen?
Ma'am,
I was just taking
ma'am, it contains everything. But it like brings it together or something.
Narayan?
Ma'am, maybe it is the only class which contains primitive data type.
पढ़ के बोला ना.
हाँ, book में से.
You
Right,
said
Dhruv?
maybe.
Yes,
With
ma'am.
such stealth.
Wrapper classes are the place where the primitive data types are stored. Like the integer values, integer is a data type, and what will be the wrapper class of the integer? Int is the data type and integer is the wrapper class.
Hmm.
And the functions related to that integer will be integer values will be stored in the wrapper class. So the data type, primitive data type, and the functions related to that particular data type will be stored in the wrapper class. Suppose for the integers int data type, the integer is the wrapper class. Here I have written in the single quotes, integer is the wrapper class that contains primitive data type int and the following functions. Two functions are used to work on the integer values, right? So these two functions will be stored along with the integer data type in the integer class. And that integer will be the wrapper class of int. This is the list of the wrapper classes for the particular data types. For char, this is the data type, and character with C capital is the wrapper class. Please remember all these things. If you write, if I have this question been asked in the exams, we give the data types and we ask you what is the wrapper class of these data types. So suppose I have written byte as a primitive data type and you write the wrapper class with the small b over here or capital YTE here, your answer will be wrong.
Ma'am, even long has integer type wrapper class.
Yes.
Ma'am, but
In
here
the long
it's
you have to use the no, sorry, long will be long type only.
so
As
it's
far as
basically the
I
same what
mixed
we
with
use.
the integer and long. Make a correction over here. When you are storing, this is not long, this is integer. This is small int. And for long, it will be long, capital long. Akshat, you are also supposed to sit with a notebook right now. Stop playing with him.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can we get the recordings?
of this lesson. Why?
So we can go through it.
I'll ask ma'am and let you know.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm asking for all subjects.
For all subjects also, I need to ask ma'am. I cannot promise you.
I know.
Okay.
I'm asking each teacher, not
Yeah, I will.
I'm asking you for
Yes, I will be giving
all.
definitely this one. And next is why we need the wrapper class. What is the need of the wrapper class? Anybody? To store the primitive data types and to convert string data into the primitive data types or reverse. Next, we are going to learn that only how to convert the primitive data types into string and string to the primitive data types. Till here, any question?
No.
No, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll ask the questions then.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you know what you can do?
Go ahead.
Ma'am, every wrong question you have to do 5 push-ups.
Are you
Achha.
kidding me?
You'll get an exercise done also.
So you should have attended Kevin sir's class in the morning.
No. I'm saying no one attends that Kevin sir's class now. So we'll make it in every class.
Why you
I'm
are
gonna
not
ask
attending
Preeti, ma'am.
Kevin's class?
Man, it's too early. Come on. How?
That's what
Already I'm waking up at like.
No, it's not only about you. I'm asking about the other children also.
only 2
Ma'am,
a.m.
first, ma'am, one thing
attended.
is he sent the link so early in the morning. We didn't even know yesterday that we'd have it. I know so many people, they didn't see the link, so they're like, "Chalo, we'll wake up at this time because that's their first class." So they didn't even like wake up by that time.
I joined the link.
You
कौन
are
था?
okay.
Who all was?
What a package contains? Raise up your hand if you know the answer. And don't browse your books now. Rishabh, why your video is off?
No, I'm even Narayan.
No,
Why are you snitching on me?
That's
Narayan, your video is also off?
No.
No, yes.
True.
I'll give you a slap.
I dare you.
Rishabh, why it was
No,
off?
she'll give us a slap by giving me homework, man.
Mom, what?
Shit, don't give ideas.
Bro, seriously, keep quiet. What, mom? Sorry.
Rish, why your video was off?
Ma'am, look at his
Mom, I
hair. He's
was
embarrassed.
eating.
It's like a pyramid.
Mom, I was eating.
Okay.
Mom, I missed my breakfast, that's why.
Very good. I also missed my breakfast, lunch, everything. I should also keep a plate over here and start eating along with the class going on.
Ma'am, why you didn't miss this?
Because I need to do the household also. There is no choice. I asked what are the package contains. Can anybody tell me? Amatullah?
no.
No, ma'am. Why? I was also
No.
sleeping.
No, I wasn't sleeping.
Atharva,
Yes.
what does a package contain?
Ma'am,
That it needs to contain.
ma'am, a set of related classes.
Yes.
That's what.
Hmm?
Like if it is
Set of
math, then it
related
will contain
classes.
Yeah.
library
Container of a
functions.
group of
I didn't look in the book.
Functions.
I don't
Package
remember.
contains the class only.
Yeah.
What is a package?
Some of the
What is
classes are accessible.
It is a collection of classes.
Ma'am, like Java.io. No. What I'm thinking? What is a package?
Does package contain? I was going to say package contains specific functions.
No.
The
that
classes
correct?
contains the functions.
And the package contains classes. So the class package is collection of
Like
Indirectly correct.
string.
The package
Ma'am,
is a
string is an
collection of
example.
classes.
classes.
Okay. Now,
So my website's wrong.
you are surfing also along with the class.
I'm a pro.
Now, the conversion of string to the primitive data types. The first thing we will study about is the string to integer and integer to string. Okay. Now, string to integer means, what do you understand by string to integer? Narayan?
Ma'am, there's a set of like words.
Converted the
ASCII code.
Just ASCII wala were like capital A, some number, capital A is also some number.
ASCII.
That is ASCII codes work on the character. That is the character function.
Oh.
Right? Characters and string. There is a basic
Also
difference
string
between
में
them.
कैसे होगा?
Character is
Also
one
string में-
letter only. and string is
So how?
a group of characters.
The special
So
character.
how does
So
string?
group we are
into-
working right now into string functions.
String.
We will
Uh-huh.
study the character functions also in this chapter. Mostly by the tomorrow. Do we have class? No. Now we have to take class on next week, I feel. So
Friday.
Ma'am,
We
tomorrow
have
no
it on
class.
Friday.
Friday is only 2 classes. I think maths and English.
Yes, ma'am.
But Friday is a holiday, no?
No holidays for you,
Okay.
dear.
Half day.
No, because
Friday
it
is
came
half
on the web genie.
They don't give us holiday on Saturday and you want holiday on Friday, huh?
No, they told that it is a holiday on Friday
Listen to
and
me.
Tuesday.
Don't converse among yourselves.
Sorry.
It's a Good Friday holiday for all. It was a non-working
Oh.
day, but these days are already holidays.
My
And
third birthday.
Pooja
They're
ma'am
not.
and
No.
Swati ma'am are lagging with their portion, so they will take your classes on the Good Friday also, on the Saturday also. Can we come back to our program now?
Ma'am, what's the other name for Good Friday? Black Friday or something?
Black Friday is in
Narayan?
November.
Ah, yeah. Now
I
we'll
am
make
not
this Black
talking
Friday and make the
now.
other one.
Narayan,
Huh?
if a single more chat happens again, I will stop explaining this chapter and you all will do it by yourself. The string functions in the Java program or in any other programming languages, the letters from 1 to 9 are also considered as string or the characters when they are not getting any manipulation in the sense of operation. Any addition, multiplication, division is not being performed on that particular value. So we can consider it as a string, like your phone numbers. In your phone numbers, only the digits are being used,
Mausi karo.
right? But these digits are not getting any kind of manipulation. You cannot do any calculation using those digits. So that is why these numbers are considered as a string. You can define the phone number as a string data type, right? Because you don't want to do any manipulation over there. Are you going to do any mathematical operation on the phone numbers?
No.
No. But these phone numbers are using only the digits from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9, I say. Yes. So these are you considered as a characters, as a string only in the program. Now, these are the 2 methods of converting the integer to string, and next we will do convert the string to the integer. Now here, integer variable you will define is equal to integer dot parse int string. Here I have written integer n. String type variable I have written string is equal to, in the double quotes, all the time when we are declaring the strings, we have to use the double quotes only. If you are using single quotes here, it will
Character.
become a character. Okay. So if you are using double quotes over here, it will be a string.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Can we use it using scanner class? Not instead of like buffer, can we use scanner class?
How will you use the scanner class here?
Like it's like integer dot parsing s. Oh.
Hmm?
Is there any way we can use scanner class?
No. These are the functions only that can be used. Either you have to use integer dot parse int functions, or you have to use integer dot value of string function.
Which package does value of come under?
It's an integer one. So which library function will you use?
Wrapper.
In wrapper.
Wrapper class.
In wrapper is the integer wrapper class. So which package will it use?
Math.
Math.
IO package only. You are reading the value. It's the input statement. So it will be IO dot star. Okay. Amatullah,
Okay.
Rishabh,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Need
Atharva,
water.
any questions? Only 5 minutes are left for the class. So,
Dhruv, stop it, dude. Seriously, that's irritating.
what are you doing, Dhruv? What are you doing?
Just my wireless earphones.
So you will play with them now. Then
Ma'am, may I drink water and come?
yes,
Please.
let's go.
Thank you.
So these two are the
Ma'am,
functions.
are you
Now,
having something else?
if I have used this function, I have defined the variable s, and using the declaring the value of s is equal to, in the double quotes, 24. If I have used this function over here, n is equal to integer dot parse int in the brackets s, this function will convert the string value 24 to the numeric value 24. Okay. If you use s as a variable in any kind of mathematical expression, you will not be able to manipulate it, because this is a string type of variable. You cannot do any mathematical calculation using this variable s. But with the help of this variable n, as we have converted the string to the integer type, we can use the variable n for doing mathematical calculations. So to convert this string variable s into integer variable n, we use either the parse int variable, int function, or we can use integer dot value of function also. These two functions will work similarly. You can use either of them for your calculation. Is it clear?
Yes.
Narayan? Narayan?
I say I'm doing this now. That means yes.
Okay. Atharva? To convert any kind of string value in a numeric value, equivalent numeric value. For that, it is necessary that you have defined any numeric value inside the string. If you have written ABCD over there, it will not convert. Okay?
So what happens if you do? Just
It
error,
will
no?
give you an error.
Nothing else.
Simple.
Okay.
Ma'am, if we
Yes.
like give some string which has both numbers and letters, then
Error.
will it take only the numbers or it
No.
give an error?
Here only number should be there.
Okay.
So if it is like a mixture of numbers and letters, it will give an error.
No, yes. It will give an error.